In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Meet account. Whether you're looking to clean up your online presence or are no longer using Google Meet, deleting your account can be an important step in managing your digital life. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step of this process. It's simple and I'll make sure you understand exactly what you need to do. First things first, let's navigate to Google Meet's homepage. Open up your web browser and type in meet.google.com. This is your launching point for managing your account settings. Once there, look towards the top right hand corner of your screen. You should see a profile picture or an icon. Click on it. This will reveal a drop down menu with the option labelled Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and click on that option. This brings you to the main page where you can manage all aspects of your Google account. It might feel a bit overwhelming, but we're focusing on a specific part today. Next, you'll want to look for a tab or section named Data and Privacy. Depending on your device or browser, its location might vary slightly, but you should find it alongside other options like Security and People and Sharing. Click on Data and Privacy to reveal a new set of options related to what Google knows about you and how that information is used. From this section, we need to move ahead to the final step. You're doing great so far, just stick with me. Scroll to find the option that says Delete Your Google Account. It's usually located towards the bottom of the Data and Privacy options. Selecting it will prompt Google to ask for your password again for security reasons. This is a crucial step. You'll be given information about what will be deleted along with your account. Make sure you're aware of what this includes. A list will typically show emails, files, and possibly other related services that will be affected. This is the time to ensure you've backed up anything important that you don't want to lose. Review the information carefully. Once you're certain you want to proceed, follow the prompts to complete the deletion process. It's that simple. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to navigate through Google's account management settings and delete your Google Meet account. Remember, taking control over the apps and services you use is key to maintaining an organized and secure digital life. If you've got other accounts you'd like to delete or more tech tips you're interested in exploring, feel free to check out more of our guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day.